So Ron here is responding to my post where I was talking about how migrants, regardless of how they get into this country, have equal rights under the law as U.S. citizens do. I'm Arturo. I've been reporting on immigration for nearly 2 decades, and I want to cover this. So there's a part in the U.S. immigration law for seeking asylum that often gets overlooked. And if you look right here, it says whether or not at a designated port of arrival, right? Anyone who arrives in the United States, whether or not at a designated port of arrival, has the right to seek asylum. And once they're in this country, they're subject to this country's laws. They're also subject to the protections that the Constitution provides for people in this country, whether citizens or not. Think of it like this. If you go to another country, regardless of how you get in, are you not subject to that country's laws? If you go to France, Europe, you go to Mexico, anywhere you go, are you not subject to that country's laws? Of course you are. It's that way in every country on this planet, and it's that way here in the United States. So regardless of how a migrant gets in, and yes, in between points of entry is a legal way to seek asylum, it's the same thing, subject to the laws and the protections of the U.S. Constitution, as it is in every country.